Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the TransferGo application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So within this application you can make international or local transfers. So you can send money from wherever you are to any receiver that you can find here. And you can also set the language, you can add cards, and you can see how document verification works. So overall it's a very useful application if you want to transfer money. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.